Welcome to Recreation USA. Let's have a quick look at the brand new 2026 Keystone RV Fuzion 432 Toy Hauler. 13 feet 6 inches garage, 2 full baths, triple awnings, king bed, Omni-Chill AC. The ultimate residential style layout. Only at the East Coast's #1 dealer searching for a 2026 Keystone RV Fuzion 432 in South Carolina or anywhere across the Southeast. This is the high-end triple-axle toy hauler setup you have been waiting for. Featuring an expansive 13 feet 6 inches separate garage and 2 full bathrooms, this unit is engineered for both hardcore adventure and total comfort. Because we order custom, elite-spec inventory, this unit comes fully upgraded with exclusive Omni-Chill technology and a Titan hydraulic leveling system to ensure you are ready for any destination. Make this beautiful beast yours today and give us a call at 8432151800.